Hello friends, this is Sbphptricks. Today we'll discuss how to declare JavaScript variables. Uh, so if you like my videos, please do comment and share. And if you like my content, please do subscribe. Let's get started. For this coding, I will use Primavera CS6. You can use any text editor like Sublime editor or Notepad++. I will design one very simple form. So here I am taking one layout. The layout is nothing but a div only. I am inserting one table with 3 rows and 2 columns. Suppose I am inserting number 1 and number 2. So first I will need here one text field and one more text field for number 2. Then I will need one button, any button you can use, like submit button. You can rename this one also, but in this tutorial I am not showing all those parts, because in this tutorial just we are learning how to declare a variable or showing that in that variable in a alert box. Let's save this one. So javascript 1.html. So this is my coding, this is a table. So now you need this button. When you are inserting this button, always remember that you need one general type of button. Means we don't need submit button because we are not submitting any form here, so just put input type button. So when I'll press this button on click, then I'll call one JavaScript function, maybe show. So whenever I will press this button, it will call the JavaScript function show. So we need to write the show function now. So within head tag we need to write the JavaScript function. So we need to start like this: script type text JavaScript language JavaScript, and we need to finish here. Within this tag I need to write my function. So function show. So I have two numbers here, number 1 and number 2. So we need to get the values of number 1 and number 2 from the text field. So how to declare a variable here? Just you need to write var and then give the name of that variable, suppose a. So in this variable I am getting the data of first text field, that is document dot get element by id. I am getting the value of the text field by id, and the id of the first text field, that is this one, is text field. So text field dot value. For the second text field, again we need to write var b. You can give any name of that variable. So document dot get element by id, so 2 dot value. So in this way I am getting the values of text field 1 and text field 2 in variable 1 and variable a and variable b. Now I can show these variables in a alert box. So how to do that? Alert, you can write the numbers are, we need to concatenate the string and variable, that's why I am giving plus symbol. The numbers are A and B. See here, I am concatenating this string with A, again this whole string with and with B. So plus is used in JavaScript as a concatenation operator. So let's check this one. We need to start the WAMP. You can directly run also this program because this is JavaScript, not in PHP. So in Chrome I will run this program. So localhost I have saved within demo, and I have given the name javascript 1 javascript 1.html. So number 1, suppose I have given 2 or 3, and I am pressing the submit button. It will show me numbers are 2 and 3. If I press the OK, then it will return to my this javascript 1.html. So here in this variable A I have saved the first value, and variable B I saved the second value, and then both the values of A and B I have shown in alert box. So this way we can declare a variable and we can use a variable. So thank you.